If you're working in the insurance industry and want to earn more income and excel at your job, you might want to look into AHIP certification. To learn all about AHIP certification, keep watching. Certification and recertification. AHIP stands for America's Health Insurance Plans. Licensed insurance agents take the AHIP certification test to determine eligibility for sales of Medicare Advantage, MA, and prescription drug plans, PDP, during the annual enrollment period, AEP, for these programs. Taking the exam. You can prepare for your exam in advance by reviewing the book, more so for familiarity's sake. The actual exam is an open book format. It's a good idea to review the book ahead of time if you can. You do get 2 hours to answer the 50 questions on the test. An open book test can take more time to complete if you don't know where to reference the answers in the text. Keep this in mind, especially if you're new to being a licensed insurance agent. The exam itself encompasses a Medicare training course, modules in Medicare fraud, waste, and abuse, FWA, and CMC general compliance. You'll have to complete every section to be certified. You need at least a 90% on the AHIP certification. If you don't pass with the required score, you can retake the exam, no worries. Passing. You get 3 to 6 attempts for your AHIP certification exam, depending on the insurance carrier. If you've already passed your 2020 AHIP certification, you should be able to transmit your score to multiple carriers. You'll have to connect to AHIP's website and transmit your scores with every insurance carrier with which you are contracted. Upon completion of your AHIP certification, you should receive a link to a printable certificate. Failing. If you do max out your number of attempts for AHIP certification, there are different types of consequences. As a currently licensed agent, failing your recertification may mean that you can't receive any earned renewals for the plan year. As a new agent, you may have to wait until the following year to retake the AHIP certification. If you fail more than 3 times, you will have to pay the full price of $175 for each retake. Otherwise, you should only have to pay the discounted $125 the first 3 attempts after getting certified. As a newly licensed insurance agent, you're probably wondering what to do with your AHIP certification. Your best bet is to explore the various facets of your career with whatever insurance carriers you are contracted with. Each insurance carrier will also require you to pass and take additional training on top of AHIP. You need to make your mark as an insurance agent. This means exploring marketing materials, especially if you went the extra mile and received a professional designation. Returning licensed insurance agents who recertified their AHIP certification should also consider expanding into professional designation to increase their consumer base and marketability. Marketing yourself. TR King Insurance Marketing is here for you. Whether you have just received an AHIP certification or are renewing your certification and seeking to expand your impact as a licensed insurance agent, we have the skills and knowledge you need to excel in today's insurance market. We'll make sure you have actionable content to know how to drive client traffic and business opportunities for your business. Be sure to check out more of our content in the future when you need help reliably growing your business or learning more about insurance marketing and other related topics. Contact us today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.